we got this 2010 Lexus RX350. I'm going to be showing you how to change the high beam slash low beam bulb as well. Now this model in particular comes with the HID light package. So the glass sphere is going to be your low beam bulb. The center one is going to be your high beam bulb. Now the high beam runs a 9006 and the low beam in this case is HID, but if it was regular bulbs, if yours just has regular bulbs, it's going to be an H11. So I've got links in the description for both of those bulbs from Oxito. They make high quality LED lights. We've been trying them out and so far they've been great. This is what you're going to get in the kit. You get a pair of gloves for handling, a little user manual that gives you some information, but for the most part you can just watch this video to figure out how to install them. These lights come with a built-in cooling fan and they're simple, plug and play, nothing to it. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove the plastic clips that secure these covers in place, and they're very simple to take off. There's just the centers pop out of them. They look like this. So all you're going to do is just push the center down. Sorry, they don't pop out, they just push down. That disengages the clip and then you can pull the clip out. So once you go around and take them all out, here, 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 and here, this panel comes off. And then similar to the other side, we've got one here, 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 and here. And then this cover comes off. So now we've got access to our bulbs. This side is probably going to be the easiest. And you can see our light bulb is just behind the washer fluid reservoir. Now, if you wanted to, you could take this 10mm bolt out and move the washer fluid reservoir neck slightly over. It's got that accordion style neck, so it's very flexible. But in this case, I'm just going to sneak around it. And all we're going to do to take the light bulb out is just turn it this way. And then that disengages the locking fingers from the lens housing, and we can remove the bulb. Now, the connector has a tab on it. All you got to do is just push down on the tab, and that unlocks, and then we can pull our light bulb out. Now, like I say, sorry, 9005. I didn't mean 9006. And all right, sorry guys, I lied to you about the light bulb numbers. These ones are actually the 9005s. The ones I just showed you a few seconds ago were the 9006 series with the fan in them. These ones just have a heat sink on the back of them, no fan, but they do have this encoder module that's part of the harness, and that's going to get rid of any warning lights and possible flickering of the LEDs. These are the H11s, which are similar. They also just have a heat sink on them, no fan, and they do not have the tether. They're just straight up regular style. So let's get these installed. Very simple. We can first just fish this thing down in there. Try not to touch the actual LED strip or get it dirty at all. And we just need to line up those fingers. You may want to come over to my side, might get a better view. All right, so we just line the fingers up so that they go in, and then we just twist clockwise, and that's pretty much it. We just got to plug this thing in now. Very simple, just like that. And if you wanted to, you could sort of zip tie that stuff up and make it nice and neat and tidy. I think what I'm going to do now is just turn the light on to show you the difference side to side between the factory halogen bulb versus this LED. As you can see, these are the typical yellow. They have a yellow tinge to them versus these other ones, much nicer. They're 6500K color, so very white, very bright. You're gonna get further distance, better range, and just better overall performance. They're LEDs, so they last longer, and yeah, I mean, why not upgrade? So that's pretty much it for that side. Now this side is gonna be very similar. I'm just gonna go shut these lights off and I'll show you quick. Right, so the light bulb, you can see it, it's right here. It's the exact same procedure. You're gonna turn it this way, pull it out, disconnect it. If you want, you could disconnect it first if that's easier for you, but it's the exact same procedure as the other side. And I think that's pretty much it. And then once you go to install these covers, I'll show you, you have to sort of preset the clip. So you just push the center in so that they're up like that. Then you can drop them into the hole and push the center down so that it's flush, and then the clip is engaged. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. I'd be glad to try to answer any questions you might have. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You should get a set of these light bulbs for your car. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.